As consumers, we all love brands. Imagine finding one day that your favorite brand changed its years old name, or its logo, or the related brand message and tagline. Some of these happened recently when Dunkin' Donuts changed its name to Dunkin', when Airbnb introduced the universal symbol of belonging in its logo, and when Gillette changed its brand message from the best a man can get to the best men can be. This is called rebranding. Rebranding is a popular exercise among companies globally, costing as much as $1 million, for example, in case of Pepsi, to get that famous curve in its logo. Despite the costs and efforts involved, less is known about the outcomes of such campaigns, as there have always been cases of successful rebranding, for example in case of Burberry and YouTube, and that of unsuccessful ones, like recent rebranding of Gap and Best Buy. Now, imagine yourself as a Wall Street analyst closely following such companies. As an analyst, you are responsible to analyze all firm-related information and make predictions or forecasts about the firm's future earnings and cash flows. These forecasts are directly impacted by the prospective firm revenues and costs, and rebranding announcements will have an effect on such revenues and costs. So, what would you expect? Would you expect rebranding to serve as a valid cue improving the firm's future revenues and cash flows? Because consumers appreciate and welcome the firm's efforts to create a more meaningful brand through rebranding? Or would you expect the firm to have lower future revenues as rebranding creates uncertainty, whereby the firm loses existing brand loyalty and the consumers feel disconnected with the new brand identity? These are notable questions because analyst forecasts moves the investor's perception about the firm's future in the market, particularly that of institutional investors. Utilizing rebranding announcements and analyst forecast data, I am motivated to find these answers to reflect on the significance of firm rebranding actions. I am interested in these findings not just as a consumer who makes purchases based on brand reputation, but also because it will shed more light on the impact of rebranding on the firms and their stakeholders. It will highlight the growing importance of firms' marketing activities to drive its financial value. Thank you.